As someone responsible for the health of your facility, you know there are more elements to address than ever before. We understand there's a lot to manage, including new standards for cleaning and disinfecting. Fortunately, you can count on one thing being the same. Citywide is here to help. Throughout the pandemic, we've been at the forefront of the battle for our clients, providing everything you need to feel confident and protect your facility now and into the future. We can do the same for you. Instead of feeling unsure and overwhelmed, let Citywide give you and your occupants peace of mind. From regular janitorial and disinfecting services to equipment and updates and layout modifications, put our expertise to work for you. We want to be the first choice for all your facility solutions. Contact us today so we can identify the best way to protect your facility.